you ever heard something weird coming from your toilet?
Like what?
You know, like scratching, splashing, even squeaking?
No.
Yeah, in some cities, rats actually come up the toilets.
Wait, how?
Well, rats, they have an ability to squeeze through extremely tight places by collapsing their collarbone. If their head fits, the body will follow. There's many cases where they squeeze through these tiny holes into the sewers. Then they follow the pipes right up the toilet.
Wait, how do they even survive down there?
Well, rats can hold their breath for an extremely long time, but they can also tread water for days. So if you ever hear something weird down there, call an expert, or maybe just close the lid.